Both Kurt Cobain and Elvis Presley have something in common other than being popular rock singers of their time. Unfortunately, they both suffered from drug abuse, which eventually contributed to their deaths. Excessive use of drugs damages human health and is known to cause coma or death due to respiratory, heart, or cerebral damage. The immediate effects of drug abuse can also result in reckless behavior, vandalism, and sometimes violence. Worst still, when drugs are consumed with alcohol, it often leads to an overdose, which at times results in death. Long lasting use of drugs and alcohol damages the nervous system and causes cirrhosis in the liver. It also adversely affects the fetus during pregnancy. The identifying symptoms of drug and alcohol abuse are withdrawal, an unnaturally glazed look, disregard for personal hygiene, depression, fatigue, isolation, and rebellious behavior. Sometimes these behavioral changes are reflected in unhappy relationships with family and friends, as well as changes in sleeping and eating habits. A teenage abuser may register a drop in academic performance or altogether stop going to school or college, lose interest in hobbies, and experience a loss of appetite and weight. Sometimes, in desperation, abusers take to stealing to be able to find money to buy drugs. Such behavior, understandably, is a source of distress to family, friends, and teachers. Drug abusers who take drugs intravenously are also susceptible to fatal diseases such as AIDS and hepatitis B. Both of these diseases can be transmitted to a healthy individual due to the sharing of infected needles and syringes. Sports persons have also been known to misuse drugs to enhance their athletic performance. They take narcotic analgesics, anabolic steroids, diuretics, and certain hormones to increase muscle strength and bulk. Of these, anabolic steroids cause side effects such as aggressiveness, mood swings, and depression. In women, anabolic steroids mimic the effects of male hormones such as testosterone and dihydrotestosterone, causing side effects like excessive growth of facial and body hair, enlargement of the clitoris, deepening of the voice, masculinization, that is, male like features, and abnormal menstrual cycles. Likewise, in men, may result in a reduction in the size of the testicles, decreased sperm production, enlargement of the prostate gland, and acne. In case of chronic use, these effects could be permanent. In adolescents, apart from severe facial and body acne, it can also result in stunted growth due to the permanent closure of growth centers of the long bones. Keeping in mind the severity of the damaging effects of drug abuse, it is better to focus on prevention of drug abuse, especially among adolescents, as they are most vulnerable during this period. With the help of vigilant parents, teachers, and even friends, drug and alcohol abuse among adolescents can be checked. Often, peer pressure, high expectations from academic performance, and utter disregard for talents and hobbies lead disgruntled adolescents on a wayward path of drugs, alcohol, or smoking. Therefore, it is important not to compare adolescents with their peers and not to push them too much to perform academically or in sports. It is in fact advantageous to identify their talents and direct their energies to healthy and interesting pursuits like sports, dance, music, yoga, aerobics, reading, and other similar activities. The moral support of both family and friends is important to adolescents in times of crisis and disappointment. It is the time when teenagers should be trained and counseled to handle the problems and stress that life brings. Talking to sympathetic and understanding parents and family members like siblings and friends are very helpful during such times. This not only gives adolescents an opportunity to share their fears, anxieties, and guilt, but also open their minds to possible solutions. In addition, such discussions help parents and family to be aware of the changing needs of the individual. Both parents and teachers should be alert enough to note any change in behavior and habits of the adolescents. In fact, even friends, if they are able to notice the danger signals of drug abuse, should inform teachers or parents about them to help their friends. Lastly, professional psychologists, psychiatrists, and de-addiction and rehabilitation programs can also be sought to help drug abusers. The objective behind such counseling and medical assistance is to diagnose the underlying cause of the abuse and take remedial steps. Therefore, though drug and alcohol abuse can be a fatal malady, it can be prevented by being sensitive to the changing needs of adolescents and by seeking professional counseling and medical expertise when required to deal with the addiction. Thank you.